Princess here. Having some issues with my camcorder, and I was trying to upload that video and edit it a little while ago, and I don't know, something corrupted with the file. I'm gonna have to check my my SD card tomorrow. Something just didn't go kosher dilly with it, and also last minute of the video got cut off on me. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to mess around with my camera tomorrow and see what's going on. But anywho, I really wanted to get this video done because I got some really good things in Dollar Tree today, and definitely they were worth picking up, and maybe it'll give you an idea if you decide to go to the store. So I'm gonna try and make this a little bit quick. It's late at night. I've been sick for the past couple of days. I'm finally feeling better, and I would have done this actually a few days ago, but whatever I had, it kicked me around for a couple of days. Just chills and fever and no energy and not feeling like doing a darn thing. It really sucked. But I went today, and as promised, I got some really good things. First off, I did not believe I would find a full-size box of cereal. It's a General Mills peanut butter chocolate blasted shreds. I didn't expect to see a big box of cereal like this. Usually when you get them from Dollar Tree, they're like a little smaller. So this is definitely something to keep an eye out for. I'm not familiar with this, but it looked good, and I'll check it out down the road, definitely. Another thing which was definitely worth grabbing, and even though it's not a food item, Morgan Bethany mentioned one of her Dollar Tree hauls. It's a 4-pack of Scotch tissue, which usually runs a little more than $1. So it's definitely worth grabbing, or grab a couple. I mean, what the heck? You know, you can never have too much extra toilet paper, I don't think. So that's something worth grabbing. I also grabbed several cans of these Rotel chilies. These are actually really useful. I use them in chili, I use them in soups, some pasta. These are like really good, and I definitely recommend these to people. Grab a couple of cans of these because you never know when these are going to come in handy. Quesadillas, if you're making something like that, these are definitely good. Now today they had a display of gravy. So let me see if I'm getting this one. No, I'm turning it the wrong way. Okay. See, I'm used to my camera now, so I'm not used to using my laptop. They actually had a bunch of this in the display. Turkey gravy and chicken gravy. These are 13.8 ounce, but I mean, what the heck, it's always good to have them on hand, you know? So I grabbed a couple cans of those because I figured I can use them. Now, I do like Pop-Tarts, and some of the flavors of these are, I don't know, I think like a little bland, but this particular one, the cookies and cream, these are really good. You could put these in a toaster, and I'm telling you, if you eat this, you would not know that this is not a Pop-Tart. This particular flavor is really good. Take it from me, it is good. Now today they have something different, and I got 2 bags of this. This is Cascadian Farms, and it is lemon blueberry granola. This looks like something really healthy, and also really good. And also on the back it says, if you go on to beefriendlyr.com and enter a code below, they donate 25 cents to help save bees. Hey, I'm a gardener, and I know, yeah, we do need to save bees. I wouldn't have a vegetable garden if it wasn't for them, the little guys doing all their hard work. So definitely want to save the bees, and this looks super tasty too, healthy, so that's a good thing. This is something that they had. This is by a company called Good Table. It's a sauce and crust mix for chicken. This is Parmesan and herb. This is probably going to be my next food vlog. Maybe in like 2 days, I'm probably going to be doing this. this definitely looks really, really good. They've had other flavors. I do actually have one or two other boxes of the other flavors. Maybe I'll do a couple of food vlogs with these and show you guys, you know, how it looks and how it tastes. I also grabbed 2 containers of chicken bouillon cubes. Not often I see them in Dollar Tree, so when you see them, grab them. Definitely worth grabbing. I also got several beef broth and chicken broth. I usually try to keep a couple of these on hand in my pantry. I use these when I make my soups, and these are actually really pretty good. Any other store, you're going to pay over $1.50 to $2 for a similar size container of beef broth or chicken broth. So these are definitely, they're worth it. This is oyster soup crackers. I'm always still over when I seen these. I used to eat these when I was a kid. I didn't even know they still make them. Like, I really don't notice them in stores. So finding these was actually pretty cool. I grabbed 2 bags of them. I don't know them, and do you? I seen this, I figured I'll grab this too, although I usually don't have luck with the powder mixes. They usually come too lumpy for me, but you never know, maybe in a pinch down the road, you know, I'll figure out the way to not have lumps in gravy. I don't know. I don't really have luck with gravy. When I make it myself, yeah, there's usually some lumps in it. I don't mind them, but I kind of feel bad giving somebody lumpy gravy. And this is the chicken broth. Like I said, I get a couple of containers of this too. It's a good deal. Now this was something that totally blew my mind. This is pure vanilla extract. And this is imitation vanilla extract. And I usually do get this because, I mean, it's cheaper. It tastes the same to me, really. But after I threw this in the cart, I seen this, like, right on the next shelf. And I grabbed it too, because I want to see, like, really if there is a difference. First time I ever had both side by side. So when I do some baking this month, I want to see which, you know, if you can really taste the difference. I don't know. Maybe my taste buds are shot. I don't know. And in the spice department, we got some Badia complete seasoning. That's a good deal for $1. McCormick bacon pieces. I use these in salads and pasta dishes. These are really good too. I also got some rainbow sprinkles. Said I want to do some bacon, and that definitely is a good deal. They also have the jar gravy, Heinz fat-free beef gravy, and I grabbed a couple of jars of that too, because I do use that, and that's a good deal. Saltine crackers. That's it. I like to make my peanut butter and chocolate-covered saltine crackers. Some kettle-cooked jalapeno chips. Some potato sticks. These are good. Now you'll notice these are smaller size packages. I mean, you know, they have to go to dollar store a lot of times. They usually are. Here is some bugles. Again, smaller package. But for $1, you can't complain. Now this is something, from what I understand, you cannot get bigger packs of this in like Walmart or anything. This Velveeta cheese sauce is amazing. I've used it in homemade macaroni and cheese. I've used it in potato lasagna. It is really, really good. A few people in a group I'm in on Facebook asked me, where do you get this? And I said, Dollar Tree. Because apparently you can only get the, I guess the blocks, the small cubes in Walmart of Velveeta. And I have like one of them big blocks too. But this is amazing. Another thing that's good to keep on hand too is Campbell's cheddar cheese soup. That goes amazing with potato lasagna. And macaroni and cheese too. I mean, oh god, it makes it so freaking creamy. And that's how you want your mac and cheese. You want it creamy, not dried out. So, some extra Parmesan topping. I've never had these before, and I was just curious, you know. I mean, I get sick and tired of eating the same old thing. This is seasoned green lima beans. I'm going to try them with meal soon and see how they are. They sound pretty good. Diced tomatoes. Look at the size of this can for $1. Can you believe that? This I definitely want to put on a goodie when I start baking. This is perfect for one, chocolate drizzle, and this is caramel drizzle. They're both by Duncan Hines, and I'm thinking these would be good when I make cheesecake. I want to fool around with cheesecake again and try and no-bake one. I tried to bake one. I didn't have the right crust. Christmas dinner, and I don't know, I was a little disappointed. It didn't come the way that I wanted it to, and you know, I'm definitely gonna check and see if that helps. So, being on those wavelengths, I grabbed myself 2 graham cracker crusts. So this way I'm prepared. I want to do some cheesecakes. We got Peachy Fridays, pork plates, and potato skins. I've eaten these both before. These are pretty good. Again, they are smaller packages because it's a dollar store, but you know what? That is perfectly okay. Espresso breadcrumbs. I mean, this is a pretty good sized container for $1. You really can't complain. And they're Italian style flavor too. Swiss Miss, a 6-pack. Marshmallows, $1. Popweaver kettle corn. You know, we like to eat a lot of popcorn. This is pretty good. I also got the extra butter. I might have put that in my cupboard already. I'm not sure. Not seeing it though. No, I am not seeing it. And of course, Texas Pete hot sauce. I mean, yay, the hot sauce. Adobo. I use a lot of adobo. It's funny, I have a friend who is Spanish who says that Spanish people go nuts and overdo it with the adobo. And I replied to her on a Facebook post. I said, honey, I said, there's white people out there that use it all the time too. And I know because I'm one. I swear by this stuff. I use this with like my Italian seasonings, with soups and pasta, and I don't know, this darn stuff is just so versatile. Like it's just so. And I came across one of these. This is a bottle light. Create your own lighted bottles. And I guess you could tell what my next DIY is, because I have a wine bottle. I got a bottle of wine for my birthday from my youngest son. And I wanted to keep it as a keepsake, but I wanted to glam it up, do it, make it look real pretty, special. So I have fairy lights I was going to put in it, but these kind of lights actually can go inside. I'm going to glitter and glam it up a little bit, but that's going to be a DIY coming up very soon. Maybe even tomorrow. Depends on how my day goes. I don't know yet. And let me see, what else did I get? This isn't a food item, but I see several YouTubers use this at times in place of E6000, and I figured let me grab a tube and give it a try. See, you know, they say that it's pretty good and it works just as good as E6000, so I don't know. I'll be using this in one of my DIYs. What else did I get? I got 2 boxes of garlic Texas toast. This used to actually have 6 slices in. A couple years ago, it's down to 4. Still not bad for $1 though. I mean, the taste is pretty good. Well, folks, that is pretty much it for my Dollar Tree food haul. You know, hey, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, don't be afraid to share these videos. I'm Always looking for more subscribers, folks. Um, Before I end this video, I did want to talk to you guys about something. There's other things that I'm considering doing with my channel. Um, I'm thinking of maybe doing once a month like a thrift store haul, maybe go on with like say $20 and see if I could find anything that could turn into like some really cool home decor items. So you need to start letting me know, folks, in the comments below. You know, is that something you would like to see and see what I come up with? And that would just be my own creativity and not being inspired by anybody else's stuff, but see what I could come up with. Um, I was thinking maybe wish hauls too. I don't know if you guys would be interested in that. So now it's time for my subs to start commenting and let me know if you guys would be interested in that. Once in a while, I do like to refurnish furniture too. Back in the summer, my son and I found a cute little table with a drawer. It was like a blonde colored wood. I stripped it, stained it darker, and it's been in my parlor now. And it holds my little stereo, the turntable and cassette deck and everything I have on that. And we just found that going out for a walk. I have a magazine stand outside that needs to be stripped. I don't know, I might just repaint it yet, I'm not sure. So, I mean, if you'd be interested in seeing these other things too, along with DIYs and my food vlog, you know, let me know in the comments section below. Well, as I always say, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you real soon. Bye.